MSL is actually the first mission that uses guided entry. That's something that we used for the Apollo missions when we were coming back from the moon. And this allows us to reduce the landing dispersions on the ground. So basically, you go ballistic. And just because you go ballistic, your errors at landing might be tens of kilometers, 80, 100 kilometers, like it was for MER. But MSL uses the heritage that came from the Apollo program to actually fly out these uncertainties. So basically, the system is so robust that it will just do small maneuvers when it goes through the atmosphere, just to tweak its trajectory on the way to the ground to reduce these landing dispersions from 80 kilometers to around 20. The landing system, the EDL system, as we call it, entry, descent, and landing system, is very different than what we've done in the past. As I mentioned before, MSL weighs around 900 kilograms. So the first thing that the engineers tried to do was use the same method that we use for MER. Just use the airbags that inflate, and they just protect the vehicle as it touches the ground. But on MSL, unfortunately, since the vehicle is so heavy, so massive, when they try to scale up these airbags, they actually rip apart. So that system didn't work. So on MSL, they came up with a different system that is a combination of the Viking landing system, which uses retro rockets. So we still use a supersonic parachute to decelerate us, but then we have this power descent phase in which we use retro rockets to decelerate the vehicle enough. So basically, when we are around 20 meters from the ground, we deploy the rover on these cables, and the sky crane, as we call it, which is the descent stage, just kind of hovers in the air as the vehicle descends on the cables. And once MSL passes these persistence algorithms based on the thruster profile, and we know that it's safe on the ground, then these cables are cut. The vehicle is delivered safely on the ground, and the sky crane flies away. So it's very scary, but it's a very clever system, and we hope that it works.